Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. And the night intro in a while, have I? So today we're going to the cheeky bastard bike meet. I'm just going to meet Jack, JH_Supermoto, at his work. And yeah, just see what we can capture on the way. I thought I'd bring you lot with me, because you can guarantee something happens when I don't have my camera on. So yeah, obviously I'm going to meet Jack, but I've chose the bloody wrong time to go and meet him because of all the school kids coming out and that absolute nightmare. But yeah, as you'll probably be able to see on my bars, I have the lever guards on now. These are the ones that I bought from my TNT, so they're basically it's got metal bits with plastic, and I didn't want to put them on this bike, but basically Suzuki, when they designed the bar end situation on when they designed the bar ends, basically what it is it's like a weight inside, like drilled out weight, then it goes into a nut that's actually in the bar, but basically you'd think that the nut would be like tack welded in or something like that, like properly fixed in, but it isn't, so it's loose. So as soon as you take that out, the nut will just move around, and basically the nut's falling on its side. And I bought a pickup pen, basically a magnetic pen, that you can it's with a magnet on the end, and even that just couldn't grab it. So I've had to whack these on because I didn't want to ride without any bar ends on. So I did that on my TNT. It's weird. So yeah, I can't really notice a difference if I'm honest. I know on my TNT without the weights on you could notice a difference, but on this you can't really notice an almighty difference. But yeah, we've done 1,548 miles on her. I think next service is at 2,500. Also, the service intervals on this are decent, but the prices, oh my lordy. So my first service should have been, I think it was £150, but because I bought the bike from where I had it serviced, it was 130, I think it was, or 120. And then yeah, so I'm hoping they give me another discount, but I can't see them doing it if I'm honest. But hey ho. So yeah, I've got a GoPro mount on the windshield, or the thingamajig as you'd call it. Thank you. Or the screen as you'd call it. But yeah, obviously my GoPro's dead. My GoPro just don't work anymore. I'm still yet to find out whether I actually have insurance on it. It was basically bought for me as a birthday gift, and then I know my nan that bought it me, she insures everything. So I'm hoping it has insurance on and they can sort something out regarding it, because I love my GoPro. I didn't use it enough, if anything. So yeah, I want to get that on my screen and get some forward-facing footage for you. Forward-facing, is that the right terminology? I think so. So you well, luckily you wouldn't see my ugly mush. You'd just see my lid. Which my lid is pretty nice. Get out of my swamp. Oh, that's like my favourite saying at the moment. Due to TikTok. Jack finishes at 5. And look at this traffic. I'm going to have to do Mazzolina. I'm going to have to start filtering, which I don't mind. So I'm thinking about getting is it 3/4 length levers? Is that what they're called? Not the short stubby levers, the ones that have a little bit more meat on them. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm thinking about whacking them on, if I'm honest. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting a pair of them. I just don't know. I don't want to spend so much on this bike, because I've been looking at A2 bikes, and actually I'm 19 in February, and my family are kind enough to pay for my A2 for me, so all I've got to do is buy the bike. But Do you know what? I didn't want to go with everyone else. Everyone else always goes MT-07 and that. We all know the drill. Right? But the problem is I didn't want to go with everyone else. I wanted to be my own person, right? Not that if you own an MT-07, you aren't your own person, because you are. But you know the gist I'm getting at. And then, but basically, the MT-07 is just offering everything that I'm after. There's a bloke. Well, I'm assuming it was a bloke. It could be a woman. His name's Ride POV. He has an MT-07 with an Acheron, a quick shifter as well. Oh my lordy. Sounds absolutely unreal. But it's one of them, like, I honestly don't know. It will. I'm saying this. I more than likely will end up with MT-07. So yeah, I more than likely will end up with an MT-07. But we'll just have to see. I'm aiming to get my theory done by Christmas. Midlands Riders. Yeah, I'm aiming to get my theory done by Christmas. So I was thinking, it would be a massive waste of money, but I was thinking, like, do I get my theory done, just pay to sit my pay to sit my just mod 1, because obviously I've already got R125, so just sit the test and see if I pass, and then do it, and then obviously do my mod 2 if I pass, and then I've got my A1 licence, because that's originally what I wanted to do when I turned 17, but I just didn't see the point. Or because basically I want to do a video and take this on the motorway. Probably seems a very stupid idea, just down the junction, yeah. Or I can even jump on at Franklin Services and go down to Bromsgrove Island, so it's not even a junction, at CM5. But yeah, I don't know. It's definitely a waste of money, and I'm saying this, if I had money to spare I'll probably do it, but I'm not going to have money to spare, let's face it, because I'm going to end up buying anodised parts and stuff like that. So nah, I don't want to bling this up too much. For the pure fact is I want to try and keep it stock as possible, so when I come to sell it, I do want to get some protection on it though. So obviously accidents happen, don't they? For a 125 it picks up in third. One of the reasons why I actually like this bike, I know Suzuki are bringing out an A2 friendly bike, and is it 900, 950 or something? I think I've mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but so that would definitely be a competitor, but unless it's offering the torque and that the MT-07 has, I don't think it's gonna go far in the list, unfortunately. But also the Z650 is a big competitor, but do you know what it is? I watched a few reviews. I think it's a stunning bike, but I've watched a few reviews and nobody just seems, it's always comparisons of the MT-07, and everyone always seems to prefer the MT-07 a little bit more. So I don't know whether that's just a sign or people being picky, or do you know what I mean? I just don't know. It's one of them, you just got to think about it, ain't you? But I don't know. I'm not 19 yet, so I've got to enjoy many happy miles on this. I've got, like, what date we're on now? Is it the 9th of October? No, it's 6th of October, isn't it? I think we're on the 6th of October. And obviously I'm not 19 until February 22nd, so I'm aiming to have my mod 1, mod 2 done, basically my A2 complete, and a bike by the end of March, start of April latest. That's my aim. Oh, fuck you. It's 50. Accelerate. It's 50 miles an hour. Please accelerate. Today is meant to be the only day where the sun's out a little, so I thought I was going to go for a blast earlier, and I thought, nah, do you know what? I'll wait till the lads have finished work and see what they're doing, and yeah, just go from there. And then it turns out they're all going to the cheeky bastards meet in Dudley. I think it's not far from my house, so I was going to meet them there, but then I thought, do you know what, I might as well make a little ride out of it and try and make a video for you guys, because as much as I moan about, well, I don't moan about editing, it's just, it can get very daunting, but it's one of them. I actually like it. So oh dear, what's going on here? I've got my thermals on, I've got my jeans on, it's a bit chilly. I do have some gloves on though, but yeah, I have no reason for wearing summer gloves. I like the feel of them. Don't know, they've got a few holes in. I have owned them coming up 3 years now. I know I've owned them 3 years. So yeah. Also with these bar ends and that, it makes the bars a bit wider, which makes it a bit more comfier stance. We're with Jack now. Bosh. So yeah, he's just going back to he's going to get changed and that, and then we'll go from there. We'll meet up with the rest of the lads, and then we'll tune back in. Boyaka Shack. I've been watching way too many TikToks.
Oh, same.
Like, it's dangerous.
TikTok. It's amazing.
Nah, it fully is. Hello there.
Hello.
Oh my, oh fucking, oh my fucking balls, bro.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bro, he was somewhere else, Don. This geezer, I thought any minute now, if he catches that throttle, he's fucked it. Scusa,
I feel like we're missing someone.
Fuck off, bro. Fuck off.